Nko kubazira saruni, okwombeka, okubija, okubazira enkiito hamwe n'emyenda bahebwa certificates bwanyuma y'ebizamu byabo ebya Directorate of Industrial Training. Omusinga wa Rwenzururu Charles Mumbere yagira ngu we nk'omuntu nayikiririza omu mirimo y'eby'emikono ahabw'okuba ayine amatsiko ngu ebi nibihindura aha mbeera y'abantu.
As you embark on this new chapter of your lives, remember to stay connected to your roots and give back to your communities. Use your skills, knowledge to uplift those around you and be agents of positive change in society.
Ogu yashaba gavumenti okubateraho amashomero g'okwegiramu eby'emikono omu buri district ahabw'okuba abantu nibabyetenga munonga.
So initiative sino ya President akaleta ngasaba siloli embere kandi utalisi mu district mwana byangu se sukulu hivi godfrega byangu kaila byomuna ngyoyo hali prenas controller and the president that actually we need more schools or institutions like this, at least 2 of them in each district.
Some of them dropped out of school, and now President Museveni has come to give them hope, fulfilling the historical mission of the Rwenzururu struggle. Some of them are single mothers. Some of them didn't even go to school at all.
Well, State Minister wa ICT, Honorable Minister Godfrey Kabyanga, yasima President ahabw'okubateekateekaho nka district ya Kasese kandi yashaba omwebembezi w'ihanga kubongerayo district emwe.
We shall pray for President Museveni that he even expands this institution so that it can cover other vocational skills like driving and others. And also we shall pray to him that he gets money to give them startup capital.
We or State House Controller Miss Jane Bareche yashaba beji kweyongerayo kutendeka omu mashomwaga babase kutunga emirimo omu Uganda n'omunsi yona.
There are plans of helping them. The president is planning to put up for them a common user facility. This is a common workshop into one of their districts that are commercially viable so that these people can work in groups. After here, they can work, they shall find there all the materials to use, all the equipment to use, they shall work, earn a living from it.
Ogu yayongera agira ngu President ayine enteekateeka y'okuheereza entandikwa ahabeegi abaherize kushomera omu matendekero agatiirweho omukuru w'ihanga kushoma eby'emikono.
This is an initiative that was put up by the President to capture unemployment in the country. It's among so many other economic interventions that the President put across in the country to make people sustain their incomes in their families, their household incomes. Yes, its purpose is to create jobs.
Bo abeja bahamibwa basima President ahabw'okubatandikiraho amashomero nkaaga.
His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni for introducing these hubs. Now I'm feeling I'm now a job creator. I'm not now a job seeker because I've started getting money.
Kale kyansemeza muno kurora President kujja kurora aturotere ekintu tuli mu mbeera y'okubonabona tuzeira abaana bali mu kantu bure ekyokubaheereza ni musima President ntaine bugarukiro.
Omukoro ogu gwabagoro RDC wa Kasese abebembezi b'ebyanga na nabaziire gashaka omuhindo Gerard awa Sky Television agenshonga omuri Kasese.
Amakuru kurga Kasese gugati tya mu rw'ekika cya kabiri.